Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is me Archana Nepal, all the way from Nepal. On my today's tutorial I'm going to show you how I color my hair. This is my natural hair color. This is a entire color hair that is a natural color. This is a natural black color. I want to change my hair color now. I want to choose this color to my hair. This is Streax 7.3 golden blonde color. I want a little blonde hair, but this is not an actual shade that I want. I want a little lighter hair from this shade, not a completely blonde one. So I chose this color. This color doesn't change my hair into a completely blonde because I already used Streax hair color 5 or 6 years ago. So so again I am going to use this color. These are my entire hair which are natural color. I already cut off the colored hair, so these are my all natural hair. I didn't use henna as well to my hair, so these are my natural hair color. So I want to change my hair color now. I'm so bored with this my hair color, so I want this color now. This is Streax hair color enriched with argan and walnut oil. The hair color says that new Streax hair color is enriched with natural goodness of walnut oil and argan oil. It gives 100% gray coverage and rich and vibrant color to the hair. It also makes hair silky, smooth and shiny. So here is the step-by-step process. You have to learn from this package. With the packaging we get gloves, brush and here is the packet of, and here is the developer, and this is the color. First I'm going to mix all the color. This is a color, so I'm going to mix this in a non-metallic bowl. This is a glass bowl. So I'm going to take entire color out. Now I'm going to add this developer in a color. Now I'm going to mix this hair color. Mix all together until you get this color. Now it's time to apply on my hair. First I'm going to use a apron on my hair. Now I'm going to part my hair and middle section first. To apply hair color, I want to use a glove. Now I can apply with my hands. So first I take little amount of hair color and then apply all over my hair. side of my hair is done. So now I'm going to move on this side. Again, repeat the same process. Just take a little section from this side, back side, and then just take the color and spread. Now I apply hair color all over my hair. So I'm going to tie this and leave it for 30 minutes and then rinse this off. So I will be back after rinsing my hair. Now I'm back after washing my hair. Now I'm going to blow dry my hair. You can see my hair color is perfectly even out. You can see perfectly even out all over my hair. So if you also want perfectly even hair color, then you can follow my process, repeat my process, so you can get perfect hair color at home. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this tutorial, then please give me some thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to notify my future update. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.